This tutorial guides you through processing domestic wire transfers using online banking. You will learn how to add wire payees and complete all necessary details for successful wire processing. On your home screen, click the Wires tab to access more wire options. Click Wire Payees to view and manage your list of wire recipients. Upon your first login, you will be prompted to enter an RSA Security Token. Enter in the RSA Security Token in the passcode field and click Submit. Click Add Payee to start adding a new wire recipient to your list. Select Domestic from the drop-down menu for Payee type. Click the Nickname field and enter in a recognizable name for the new payee. Click the Payee Name field and enter in the official payee name. Click the Email Address field to enter the payee's email address if known. However, this is optional and not required. Click the Account Number field to enter the payee's account number. You will need to re-enter this in the field below to confirm the account number. Since this is a domestic wire, please click the button next to Domestic for address type. Click on the Address Line 1 field to start entering the payee's address details. If a second line is needed, you can enter it in Address Line 2. Continue to enter in the city, state, and zip code of the payee. From the drop-down, select the institution number type, commonly referred to as routing number. Click on the institution number field and start typing the institution's number. A list will populate, enabling you to quickly click and select the institution from the options. Once the institution is selected, the name and partial address information will be automatically populated. Click on the Address Line 1 field to start entering the institution's address details. If a second line is needed, you can enter it in Address Line 2. Click on the Beneficiary Reference field and enter in the reference. Click on the Message to Beneficiary field and enter in the purpose of the payment. If the purpose isn't stated, the wire may be rejected. For the final step, you may select if the receiving financial institution requires institution details or if the payee requires intermediary financial institution details. Both of these sections are optional. Finally, click on Save to complete the domestic wire process. You have successfully added and configured a wire payee with all necessary details for domestic wire transfers. Verify the information accuracy before initiating any wire to ensure smooth processing.